my body count. I'm finessing like a trap bounce, yeah. Cause every day above ground is a blessing. I done leveled up.
Look how dirty our car is. The car wash is up next. Look at my dirty little car. Ooh, look at you, dirty. Alright, let's put these groceries in here. You know how you try to get a cart to somebody else so you don't have to walk it all the way back. So I'm steady like, hey, you need a cart? Hey, like, he gonna keep walking and stuff. And he like, not really. I said, okay. And this man pulled up, a white man, he pulled up. He like, I'll take it with the quarter hanging out the window. I said, no, you good. Somebody gave it to me. So, you know what I'm saying? People just be so rude out here in these streets. But yeah, let's go ahead and get this car washed. He acting like he had to pay for the thing. You get your quarter back if you know what I'm saying? People just, I don't know. That's why I need to move. People are so different. I'm gonna go straight. That was something that I wanted to get from Family Dollar, but I cannot remember because I didn't put it in my phone. But I cannot remember what it was that I wanted to get. That's crazy. I'm right here by Family Dollar. I can't remember. I said I was gonna go to Family Dollar. I was gonna grab awesome hauls. My throat is not up to par. Yesterday, I ain't tell y'all, when I had woke up and went to church yesterday, my ear was hurting so bad. It's like my ear and my throat. I drank 2 cups of tea yesterday, and it felt better this morning, so I wasn't tripping. But I'm gonna drink some more tea because I've been outside in this air and I ain't got no hat on. I feel the wind hitting my head, like kind of irritating. I don't know if it was like an ear infection or what, but it was like in my ear and throat, and my whole face was hurting, like right here. All yesterday, it was so tender, like tender pain. So let me go in here. We at Family Dollar. Let me just go get some hauls. That's all I need. All right, so I'm looking for the throat hauls, but I only see these for the kids, ages 3 and up. Organic throat pops for kids. I ain't gonna get that. I don't even know how much that is. But yesterday I also took some Aleve, and I'm running low on my Aleve. Cause I use these for when I come on my period too. These be working. I don't know. I had the one for with the 50 in them, 50 tablets. But I don't see that one, so I'm just gonna get this one. But where's the house at? No, there ain't no another aisle. Oh, they go downhill. Get the cough drops. Oh, should I get these? Should I get? Go ahead, baby. No problem. Should I get these? Oh, these look like they're gonna have like a little creamy taste to them. Y'all tried these before? Comment down below if y'all have. I need some. I always get cherry, so I'm gonna get strawberry. I'm gonna get the strawberry. Let's head on up out here. Oh, can I just come pull up right here? Good, how are you? I'm like, let me pull up right quick. No, thank you.
All right, $6.65.
Thank you. Happy holidays to you as well. Talking about you just going to get some hauls. That's gonna leave too. But yeah, y'all. I feel like we're having a good little productive day. Next stop is the car wash. We're getting just a wash today, baby. Just a wash.
Sensational. What did I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I know for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues for the riddle. Oh wow, oh, laugh just a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitchy. Tell me love her to the morning, nah nah nah. Love her to the nighttime, nah nah nah. I don't get nobody, I don't get nobody, yeah. If you give me body, I won't tell nobody, yeah. Golly, girl, she wears clothes. Now she want me blue skirt, so me blue skirt. Golly, girl, she wears clothes. You see, it's obvious, it's obvious. Sensational. What didn't I do for you, girl? And I know, and I know, and I know. I do for you, love like a riddle, yeah. Give me that blues for the riddle. Oh wow, oh, that's a little, yeah. Life's pretty sweet, can be bitter. This one she fine, oh yeah. She want this, and she got this. She no big control of me. She dance it, she wind it. She make me want give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Give her body back shots, body. Oh, 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 oh.
But you hurry up, move your car. Like people just be moving so slow. Like back up. Look at this. Girl, you drive the bus and you move that slow. What you doing? Is you going fast? Hey. I get up to the back end, please. Look at this ghetto shit. Stop. Trying to stop pressing. Why? Why I have to come to this other side? The stank on that side, the ratchet on this side. Good thing my car not that dirty. It got a little leaves here and there. Baby, if I had to lift these mats up and go all under and all that stuff, I have to move my car and find another spot. My car is pretty clean. I don't let it pile up and get too dirty.
And I hope they cut us, whether they like or not. I wanna show you out, I wanna show you out. I wanna brag about it, I wanna tie the knot. I wanna show you out.
Hand sanitizer. I just want to get a little of that dirt off. They dirty, but they ain't that dirty. Got the leaves up. Tire still dry. Tire time, but it's winter time now. All right. Adjust my seat. Can't wait till I get some power. Power car. I got everything manual, no push start, nothing. Even my Ultima got push start. This car ain't got nothing. Let me get out there. Why is my car sound like this? Because my tires was, maybe because it's oily on that ground. Maybe that's why. Alright, so now we're headed to the post office to drop off these boots. They look like they want to turn left. They say right turn only. Come on, what you gonna do? I'm going left. I don't care. I don't care. You said down that time you could have went left. But yeah, I'll catch y'all back up when I get to the post office. We had a long day. By the time we get to the post office, that should be it. Done. We gotta take these groceries in the house, put them up. That's it. I'll talk to y'all probably back when, I don't know. I'll show y'all me going to the post office, and then I'll show y'all Shayana when I get home. Looking like a little nappy pappy. Too big for me. I hope she likes them because I feel like they had got too big. They need to be increased right here. Alright, let me put this stuff together. Drinking me some tea this morning. I got peach tea, 2 house, and regular lemon what's it called? Lemon ginger. Perfecto. And just stir it up. And I have to let this cool off for a long little time. But we got green tea with lemon and peach tea, which is the country peach passion. Say hi. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Minnie Mouse. Oh, be careful. Just get up and get that pacifier out your mouth. I thought you wanted to brush your teeth.
Bubble?
Yeah, we get bubbles when you get into it. Right. Hold your head back a little like this. Okay, turn to me.